Hi there. Just got the keys to this apartment. I thought I'd take you on a tour of this new fix and flip. Let's go. So, this townhouse is in the south of Johannesburg. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with an ensuite. It still has the original fixtures. Telecom is not working, hasn't been used. We'll start in the kitchen. These units are all worn out and will need to be replaced. A new countertop as well. It will also need a new hob and stove. This property is not in bad condition, it just needs some updating. We are looking at pulling out the carpet and installing tiles throughout the house. I'm not a fan of these wooden staircases, so what we'll do is just make some adjustments to the staircase, like installing cabinets underneath for extra storage. That noise you hear means that we need to reinforce the staircase. It does look like it was fixed at one point, but not a great job because the staircase is still tilting to the left. Let me show you this. I call this a floating storage cupboard because the only way you can get from here to there is to get a ladder, or if you have adventurous kids, to try and jump. Definitely a no-no, so removing this to make the house look more spacious, including a 2-meter lamp, and maybe reusing the hood for the cabinets underneath the staircase. Cool. This is room number 1. Doesn't look that bad. Needs some tiling, some touch-ups, maybe new door handles. The lights just need to be cleaned. Let's go to bedroom number 2. So we'll do the same thing as bedroom number 1. The cupboard door definitely needs to be fixed. Here's a nice view. The pool is right across, which is fantastic if you have kids, and you can just watch them from across. This is the family bathroom. Again, new tiling, new toilet seat, replace the bathtub, probably add a shower head, remove the cabinets, paint the walls and roof. Let's go over here. So here's the main bedroom, a little bigger, some beautiful light coming in, great view as well. Again, the same as the other rooms, tiling and door handles. I wouldn't go so far as painting the walls because there's such great demand in this area, and the walls look in pretty good condition. In fact, they were painted, I think, about a couple of months ago. This is the ensuite bathroom. This will need to be updated. No visible signs of cracked tiles. The shower just needs some cleanup. Even though the shower is a bit small, definitely removing those plastic things. And so I'm going to stop right here and give you a better idea of why I'm not putting too much work in this unit. While I was doing comps for similar properties, I came across this unit that sold for the price I will be listing it for. And as you can see, there wasn't any drastic renovations done. The goal is to get the property into a similar condition and sell it off. The fundamentals in the area look good, so I know the property of this size won't last long on the market. What made this deal a no-brainer was essentially the fundamentals. The seller was not in a distressed position. He is an investor just trying to offer one of his property and just didn't want to put the work into it. So we came to negotiate the price. I made an offer, he accepted it. A few weeks later, I'm the rightful owner of this property. But there are other reasons as well. The fundamentals are so good in this neighborhood. First of all, it's a seller's market, which means my first exit strategy, if I choose, could be a hotel. Essentially what this means is that I take the property as it is, put it onto the market at a lower price, and still make a decent profit out of it. The second exit strategy is to do a normal fix and flip whereby I renovate the property, put it back on the market, and sell it for a decent profit. And the third exit strategy is to buy and hold, essentially using it as a rental and hopefully selling it in 4 to 5 years. Let's see how this deal goes. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want to get notified about future updates, and I'll see you on the next one.